I'm gonna catch every fish in Colorado, and today's target is the yellow perch. Just using a simple 1/4 ounce Castmaster that looks like a perch, I was able to just cast out, and just with a quick reel and a slight pop in the tip of my reel, I was able to catch this guy.
Oh, what? I didn't even know I had one on. Well, camera, you like that bullshit?
This guy was pretty small, but considering that the largest perch ever caught in Colorado was only about 15 inches, I would say that this is not bad at all. Thank you guys for watching, and comment down below what should I try to catch next.